Hello, beauty lovers. Today we're diving into the world of Purez lip glosses. First up is Nude Lip Gloss number 15. My initial impression, it glides on like a dream. What's refreshing is that it's not just a gloss, it's a burst of colour, super lightweight, and oh so comfortable on the lips. It's a game changer for a natural look. Next up is Pink Lip Gloss number 10. The formula again is simply beautiful. I have to admit I wasn't expecting to love this shade as much as I do. Its delightful corally pink shade surprisingly flatters fair skin. The formula keeps on impressing me, making this shade an unexpected favourite. Stunning. And finally we have Pink Lip Gloss 70, and it's absolutely beautiful. I might just have found my favourite. Imagine the sheer beauty of this shade in the summer. The formula remains consistent, smooth, pigmented, and ultra comfortable. And there you have it, 3 lip glosses by Purez. Purez has nailed it with these glosses. Rich pigments, a luxurious formula, and a comfortable feel on the lips.